Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can change the name of your store on Shopify. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through, and if you're successful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And yeah, this is how you can do it. So first up, you will have to log in into your Shopify account. Once you're in here, you can scroll down and see on the left side there is a settings option. Just tap on settings. Once you're in here, you can see under the profile section there is an edit button on the right side. Tap on that, and once you click on that, that's it. You can now change your store name. Let's say I can put it up as my new store. So that's it. I have edited the store name, and once you are happy with what you have changed, just click on save on the top right corner. And that is it. The store name has now been changed. It will reflect on other elements of my Shopify website as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can change your store name on Shopify. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.